Hi everyone, tonight I'll be doing my second video for Kidney Disease Awareness Month. Tonight I'll be making barbecued pineapple chicken, and this comes from the National Kidney Foundation. What all goes into the barbecue pineapple chicken? 4 ounces of chicken, and this is a lot more than that. I'll just use what I need and then I will freeze the rest. 20-ounce can of pineapple slices. 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. I'll just be using my already minced. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And 1/2 teaspoon of wasabi paste. So let's begin. First thing I did was remove the pineapple rings from the can. I'm going to set this aside and we're reserving the juice for the marinade. So usually these kidney disease recipes are made for 1 person, sometimes 2. It called for 4 ounces of chicken breast cut into 2-inch cubes. This is 1 chicken breast, it's 11 ounces. I'm going to put it in anyway. So I want to make enough for 2 skewers so we both can eat. I am making this late. It's supposed to be marinated for overnight and I didn't realize it. So I'm making it now at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's only going to marinate until Dave gets home. So take your reserved pineapple juice from the pineapple rings, put it in a small bowl, put in your 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, mine is minced, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and the 1/2 teaspoon of the wasabi paste. And mix that up until combined. And then put in your 4 ounces of chopped 2-inch pieces of chicken breast. Like I said, mine is 11 ounces. And mix that up. And put that in the refrigerator. I am going to put a plastic covering over it. And we'll finish it tonight. So we'll see you then. So I have my panini press here. I'm going to use it as a grill. Okay, so it's telling me I have power. I'll turn it to maximum. And when the ready light comes on, the green light comes on, it'll be ready and then we can start. So I'm taking them out while the panini press is preheating and we're going to put them on skewers. I don't know how many skewers it's going to take. Now this marinated from about 5 hours, not near enough, long enough, but it's the best I could do. I need to make at least 2 skewers, and it looks like my ready light is on, so. Okay, there's 1. Now this is 11 ounces of chicken. It only called for 4, so you'd probably only get 1 skewer out of the 4 ounces. Okay, so we got 3. So with the panini press, and you're going to make it like a grill, we are going to turn it down to medium. I'm not sure if that's the temperature we need. And we're going to leave the lid up. This is a non-stick surface. You don't want to spray with cooking spray, but you can put a little bit of olive oil on it. And then we'll put our and we'll cook that for 5 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally so it gets brown on all sides. So I decided to put my lid down for the panini. Look at the nice lines on that. So here are the barbecue pineapple chicken, kidney friendly, on top of a bed of sliced pineapple, and rounding out the meal is coconut rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, this looks like pineapple and chicken.
It is barbecue pineapple chicken. Kidney friendly. And you got more meat that's kidney friendly.
Well, it's friendly to my taste buds too.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.